are at the North Premium Outlet Shopping Centre, and as you can see, this is the Circa over here. So we're not too far from downtown. This is the south parking lot. It has 4 or 5 levels here, and there is a second parking lot at the north end, but just be warned, these parking lots do get filled up rather quickly. As you can see, the traffic's coming in and it's already about quarter full. And it's a Wednesday morning. The outlets open at 11. It's January 2022, so at the moment they open at 11 a.m. The parking lot's already about quarter full. There is an elevator for the parking lots that go all the way up to the top floor, or you can choose to go down the stairs. This is the I-15 freeway right next to the outlet, and if you do come here by the I-15, you'll want to exit at Charleston Boulevard. There is Valet here, however it's about $11 to use Valet, and that's on the west side of the outlet mall next to Shake Shack. Right outside the Valet there is the guest services that you can stop by. And the food court here has about 7 or 8 eateries inside, and it's all air conditioned, and it's slap bang in the middle of the outlet. So there's plenty of shade here if you do come here in the summertime, and there's also plenty of places to sit down where you can have a drink and have something to eat. There is a Starbucks here. And in the summertime they usually set off the misters, so that creates an even cooler environment if you're walking outside here in the summertime. Okay, Saks Fifth Avenue is right outside the Cheesecake Factory, and the Cheesecake Factory is the north end, and right behind the Cheesecake Factory is the parking lot.